pulong-pulong kami para makita talaga ako ano yung nangyari. Chronology of events. At approximately 7:46, armed men tried to enter through the second floor but were stopped by the USAA. They had firearms with them, but the USAA fired a warning shot. They retreated at the back and started firing indiscriminately into the air. Now, we do not have a definite count of how many people tried to enter the building. Number two, there are no casualties. None. No one was hit, no one is wounded, no one was killed. Number three, we are in the process of determining who is behind this. We have instructed the GSIS and Senate building, the Senate staff to secure all CCTVs. Our mission here, the President sent me here, number one, to secure the senators. There is no politics at this time. These times of turmoil, politics goes out the window. We all belong to one country and we all will lead one nation. The President has given strict instructions. Secure the senators, whoever they may be. Next, we are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa. In fact, we are here to protect him. Let that be clear. I need that to be clear to his family. I repeat, we do not know who is behind this, but we will find them. We have all the security footages, and I'm here with the Senate President to assure him that we are only doing this to secure them.
What's the motive?
First and foremost, we thank God that everyone is safe. I'd like to thank the President, Secretary Isidoro, Secretary Remulla, who personally came here, Chief PNP Narcotics. So as you know, last Monday, nag-request po tayo ng EMT just to make sure na yung investigation natin with NBI, that there will be no untoward incidents. So at around 6:45, 7 o'clock, some senators got warnings na umuwi na. Nagtataka kami what that meant. So sabi ko, please don't believe that because the last thing anyone wants is yung gulo. At around that time, we got information, about an hour before that, we got information para tingnan dito yung articles of impeachment. So we decided to extend our focus and to meeting na how we can prove by actions yung sinabi namin that this change in leadership is not about politics, it's not about impeachment. So at around that time na sinabi ni Sec. Remulla, we heard noises, akala ni Senator Villanueva, puputok, fireworks, and I even went to the window at pinagalitan nga ako ng sister ko dahil we don't do that. But after a few minutes, may paputok na naman, then we felt and then I was already watching TV, hindi ko na ma-contact. And then tumawag yung USAA na, sir, for my shooter, hanggang dun lang. By that time, tumawag na si Sec. Remulla that calm everyone down, that we're on the way, make sure na papasukin kami. So we agreed on a objective, comprehensive investigation. I expressed to the President, who was a senator before he became President, Sec. Remulla, that of course the safety of my colleagues is very important, but yung integrity din ng Senado. The building is more than a building. In fact, it's not even our building, it's GSIS. But it represents the democracy of our country. So I'd like to thank you, kayo din sa media. No? I know you're also confused, but you decided to stay. So in the next few days lang, make sure lang na hindi tayo mag-infiltrate until we get to the bottom of this. No? So the USAA and the PNP under the direction of myself and Sec. Remulla is now going for my floor and we'll do the same sa kabilang building. We won't say any more operational details, but we will try to make sure na safe. I'll be here tomorrow. That's if I go home tonight. No? I'll be here and we'll brief you further. No? So we'll stop there. Pasensya lang po kayo, we'll stop muna sa details. Mahirap po na iba-iba po magpa-interview. So I'm directing the staff not to lie, not to fold, to tell the whole truth. And to make sure that we cooperate in their investigation.
For the shooter, how many, sir? How many shooters, sir? How many?
Again, we still have to determine through CCTV footage kung sino po ilan talaga sila.
Opo.
So, we cannot answer that with any big
Sir, USAA yung una nagpapag-warning shot.
Warning shot, USAA gave a warning shot, and in their retreat, they started firing into the air. That's as far as we know. Okay? That is not conclusive. We still have to review the footages.
We'll stop at the word suspect kasi pag nilabel namin yan, eh, meron ng conclusion na rin yung iba. We told Sec. Remulla kung sino ang suspect, kung ano suot ko, ano ang sinasabi nila kung sino sila.
Perceived NBI daw? Perceived NBI, sir?
No
questions, sir.
It's okay questions, but forgive us because we don't want to say something na hindi mabaway. If government did this to government, we are in trouble. And I want, there is a presumption sa clarity na hindi ito gagawin ng kahit anong agency sa atin. Having said that, from the President down to the secretaries, ilan na rin silang tumawag, assures us na magiging independent at no holds barred investigation.
Perceived NBI ba yung nakapasok? Perceived NBI ba, sir?
Please do not ask questions that are leading.
Pero sana sumisisi Secretary Mendoza, sir.
Do not ask questions. Do not
Sen ba to?
Please do not ask
Senator Bernardo de la Rosa, how is he, sir?
Nagbibigyan na lang sila ng...
Senator De La Rosa has been informed that we are doing a sweep of the building. He has informed us that he wants to rest in his chambers. He is safe. He is with his security personnel. He has been informed of our activities. We have assured him that there is no warrant for us to be served. Okay? I'm here to ensure the integrity of the Senate and to protect the protection of all the senators. Okay? Please.
What's the walang motive mo, sir, kay Nikita?
You cannot ask questions of any detail because we cannot answer sila.
Even kung paano po nakapasok, sir?
So either we have to release
Nasa na sila?
sila.
Wala rin nag-force, sir. Walang umabol.
That's protection ng ang number one side.
One reason we cannot tell you, ongoing pa.
Tapos hindi
Ongoing pa. There's two buildings. So it is ongoing and we don't want to also, what we call this, telegraph dun sa investigation. But we're all doing what we can. And Usa is there, the PNP, the Chief PNP, binigyan ng specific instructions ni SIM.
Senate is safe. Sir, wala pa, sir. Senate is safe, sir?
All the floors. We are sweeping all the floors. We have asked those non-essential personnel to leave and we will investigate each and every person in that are not essential here.
May pasok po ang Senado bukas?
So far, yes. I'll decide mamaya. But so far, kasi nga dumating yung articles of impeachment at may meeting coordination ang lahat ng heads. Having said that, may I also appeal to any of you or anyone in the Senate kung may videos kayo na you think it will help the investigation, submit it to us. Kasi maraming allegation, maraming denial.
We have FB Live, sir.
Yes.
We have FB Live.
Kung meron kayong videos, please submit it to those for our investigation.
Sir,
No one's under question.
Pero first of interest meron.
Wala pa rin.
Sir, how about the articles of impeachment po? Kamusta? Was it secure?
We were insecure, nakaalis na rin yung mga taga-hawk. I just assure you, kung ano na sa Constitution, ano sa rules namin, may precedents din to. This is the first time, maraming speculation, pero meron po yan. But I will be interpreted to be talking politics, especially the Commission Secretary. So just assure you, kung ano ang rules, kung ano ang Constitution, anong batas, anong precedent, susundin natin.
Is the Senate safe? Is the Senate safe as of now?
We're making sure that is now, but I can tell you, especially for me, that I feel na kargo ko yung lahat ng empleyado at lahat ng mga senador, lalo po yung walang kamalay-malay dito. It was, you know, I don't know how to describe, and at first, you know, if you get a call from me at this point in time, you wouldn't know that's an emergency. That's why I had to do it.
Categorical safe na ang Senado.
Inayin mo sa akin kasi insecure.
Secure.
Senators are secure.
All senators.
All senators.
How many senators are inside, sir?
I think we were complete sa
Majority. 13? Except she's 12.
and one of the minority. Parang wala. Unless nasa opisina pa.
You are all here right now? Yung 12? Nasa loob pa?
Yes.
Yeah. Except for Sen Bato. Senator Bato.
Senator
How about Sen Robin?
Yes, also here. Pagod yung dalawa kasi they've been here the last days.
Magsisiuwian po ba kayo, sir? Or dito lang kayo?
Coordinate mo na with the PNP.
kami na bala. I will
Advise
It is my duty to ensure the safety of all the senators. Whether it is safe to go home or not, I will make that call.
Okay.
And I will make sure that they are safe to go home.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. Thank you.